There's the police department. And here's a church. Oh, Lord. We need clothes, folks. Look at all these pigs. Huh? That's a lot of pigs, man. Oh, that's closed. Closed to the public. Okay, well, we want you all to behave yourselves. We really do. I have zero tolerance in my heart right now for retarded shit. Right? Nah, look at that ugly spick. Did you see that ugly fucking cunt? You see her? That's their true heart, Trump. Kick them motherfuckers out of this country. You see that ugly scallywag? Now, right now, we're just looking for a thrift shop and enjoying this good old cowboy country. That's right, we are. Okay. Looking for a thrift shop.